Hello everyone, and Gunawan. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys about my unforgettable moment. One of my most unforgettable moment was when I visited Ancol, a popular recreational park in Jakarta, Indonesia. I went there with my family on the weekend, and we had an amazing time exploring all the different attractions. We started by taking a ride on the Ferris wheel, which provided us with an incredible view of the park and the ocean beyond. We could see for miles, and it was breathtaking. After that, we headed to the water park, where we spent hours going down water slides and splashing around in the pools. It was a hot day, so the cool water was a welcome relief. As the day began to dark, we made our way to the beach and watched the sunset over the water. The colors were so vibrant, and the whole scene was incredibly romantic. We ended the day with a delicious meal at one of the many restaurants in Ancol. The food was fresh and flavorful, and we enjoyed sitting outside while watching the sunset. So that's my unforgettable moment. Thank you for watching, guys.